Creating and configuring the perfect element goes a long way to making your sites feel professional. With this update, you can avoid the tediousness of recreating them. Simply save your element and reuse it everywhere, saving editing time, reducing mistakes, and keeping your pages perfectly aligned. Let's learn how. Go to the funnel, website, or stores builder by editing one of your pages. Find an element you've customized and click the floppy disk icon to save it. Name your element, select Universal Elements, and click Save. To use your element, click the plus sign icon to add an element. Select the Saved Assets section, click Universal Elements, and drag your element into place. Universal Elements keep your design cohesive across sites, with immediate synchronization across builds and minimal errors thanks to the automated safeguards around duplicates, helping you create with confidence. Universal Elements provides a scalable and consistent design system that will help you create your dream sites without manually recreating the elements that make them special. We hope you enjoy it.